Hi everyone! Today we are going to have a lot of fun and tie some vintage headscarf style from 40s. You will need 2 scarves bandana size. If you don't know me yet, my name is Elena. Welcome to my channel How to Tie a Scarf. I've noticed that headbands and turbans from this period were shifted back a little and usually had some interesting detail on the tops. Those two details are the key to succeed in this retro look, I think. And now let's tie our scarves. I'm going to use this vintage silk Cacharel scarf and this polyester polka dot bandana. First, you make simple bands from the scarves. Cross it like this and tie the ends behind. If you like vintage, check the description of this video with some nice looking vintage scarf on Etsy. Simple, right? For the second style, we tie the scarves like this. Make the knot look nice. And tie the ends behind. It is more comfortable to tie the ends of one scarf and tie the ends of another scarf separately. Et voila, it's done! For the third style, I will use a velvet headband. The most important thing with this band to choose the right side. You can feel the direction of pile of velvet with your finger. It will keep my silk scarf from slipping. Another thing, it is more comfortable to tie your turban on the front and shift it back later when it's done. We tie a simple turban from this first scarf. Take the band and make a bow on the top. If you tie a knot and make the bow after, it will look too bulky. Hide the ends of the band inside of your bow, and you are ready to go. Which style do you like most? If you like vintage style scarves, check this video, you may like it too. If you like scarves, check those videos for more scarf ideas. Subscribe, hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see in the future. I hope to see you next time. Bye!